He was the lion of Allah, the gate of knowledge, the brave, the just, the humble, the ascetic. This is not just the story of a martyrdom. It is the story of a life lived in the shadow of prophethood and ended in sujood. This is the story of Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib, R.A., the fourth Caliph of Islam. Born in the sacred city of Makkah, inside the Kaaba in 600 CE, raised in the Prophet's home, first child to accept Islam, slept in the Prophet's bed during Hijrah, Sahih Bukhari, fought in every major battle except Tabuk, married to Fatima, R.A., father to Hassan and Hussein, Hadith. Reference. Prophet said, "You are to me what Harun was to Musa." Sahih Muslim. Visuals, scenes of young Ali, R.A. with Prophet. After Uthman, R.A.'s martyrdom, the Ummah turns to Ali, R.A. He reluctantly accepts Khilafat in 35 AH, but the Ummah is wounded. Confusion, politics, internal fitna. Battle of Jamal versus Aisha R.A., Talha, Zubair. Battle of Siffin versus Muawiyah R.A. Emergence of Khawarij after arbitration. Qur'an reference. Surah Al-Hujurat. Believers are brothers. Make peace between them. 49:10. Ali, R.A. tries tirelessly for unity. Visuals. Diplomatic letters, battle tents, maps. Ali, R.A. praying alone at night. After the Battle of Siffin, the group now known as Khawarij split away. They accuse Ali, R.A., of accepting human arbitration over Allah's rule. They grow in number, harsh in judgment, takfiri in ideology. Their ideology, La hukma illa lillah, no rule but Allah's. Misuse of Qur'an, Surah Yusuf example. In Ramadan 40 AH, the Khawarij secretly planned to assassinate 1. Ali, R.A. in Kufa. 2. Muawiyah, R.A. in Damascus. 3. Amr ibn al-As, R.A. in Egypt. Ibn Muljam's oath. He vows to kill Ali, R.A. for justice, marries a woman named Khatam, who seeks revenge against Ali. Ali, R.A. senses something. He says, "Tomorrow I will be a guest of Allah, and the best of hosts is Allah." He advises his children, does Qiyam al-Layl, cries in sujood, hadith and will. Fear Allah in your prayers. Do not seek revenge. Treat prisoners kindly. Ali, R.A. in tears during tahajjud. Date, 21st Ramadan, 40 AH, 661 CE. Place, Masjid-e-Kufa. Killer, Abdul Rahman ibn Muljam. As Ali, R.A. enters the masjid, Ibn Muljam hides in the shadows. During sujood, he strikes with a poisoned sword. Ali, R.A.'s words, Fuztu wa Rabb al-Kaaba. By the Lord of the Kaaba, I have succeeded. Ali, R.A., survives 2 more days. He refuses to curse his killer. He leaves a legacy of justice, humility, and worship. Hadith. Prophet said, Ali is with the truth, and the truth is with Ali. Sunan Tirmidhi, Hassan. Ali's legacy, Nahjul Balagha. His sayings on justice, simplicity of his rule. Ali, R.A., was not just a warrior. He was a saint, not just a ruler. He was a servant. He was the gate of knowledge, the one who loved Allah above all else. His death was painful, but it was the beginning of his eternal success. Reflection points for viewers. What can we learn from his humility and justice? How do we react to division within the Ummah? Are we living like Ali, R.A., in devotion, justice, and patience?